Hi my babies, welcome back to the channel. I am Mrs. Ty, better known as SweetPetiteLatrice. I almost forgot my whole name. Cut. Hi my babies, welcome back to the channel. I am Mrs. Ty, better known as SweetPetiteLatrice, and thank you so much for joining me. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we finna get cute, okay? Okay? We finna get cute and we finna do... Girl, just forget it. So I don't know if it's SHEIN or if it's SHEIN. You would think that it's SHEIN, but I'm gonna say it's SHEIN because she in there. We in there with these clothes, okay? We in there with these outfits. Coming to y'all with this cute collar shirt. It's really a dressy type shirt, and my shoe strap fell. This top is really comfortable. Definitely have a lot of room. Full coverage in the back. Like that. I paired these booties and this skirt with it. And then also I got this cute little clutch bag. You can wear it as a clutch or you can wear it as a over the shoulder purse. So these are cute, 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 cute. I can't even get my words out. But this is Snakeskin with the green and the pink, yellow, and blue and black on the purse. So that's really cute, right? Love the snakeskin on that with a gold chain. Really nice. Right, coming to y'all with the leopard print and the yellow dress. Oh my goodness. Here's the back. Really cute, really simple. Okay. Yes, I'm feeling this dress. I really like this dress, y'all. You can wear this during the summer. You can wear it during the fall. You see how I paired it with some knee-high red boots. So it's your choice how you want to do it. I am disappointed with SHEIN with this belt. Okay. Now, I don't know if this said one size fit all. I don't even know what it said because it's been over. I think it's been over, what, 3 weeks since I purchased my items. So yeah, this gonna, all right, we're gonna have to do a little suck and tuck because, you know, we ain't got no kind of shapewear. Oh, nah, I'm out of breath just putting on a belt. They wrong for this. They wrong for this. This is that yellow belt they advertise where it's hanging all low. They should have told me the belt only 20 inches. Okay? I would have said no, because I need something that's like 50 inches. I want my belt hanging to the floor. But you know, whatever. We're going to keep it moving. SHEIN did us, but here we go with a belt. You know. So it's an oversized t-shirt. I have on a blazer that I pulled from my closet. So I kind of took the t-shirt and just folded it under the arm. This is my first oversized t-shirt that I've ever purchased. I usually have my t-shirts fit snugly, but since your girl put on a little weight, we decided to start going with the oversized t-shirt. So I don't think that I will wear it just like this. So here is a pink and black snakeskin print dress. I love the asymmetrical look at the knees. I think that's really cute. It does look like a two-piece in the front, but it's actually a one-piece. So they have this little triangle cut here. And I actually have it kind of tucked up under my bra because my bra was like hanging out, which is not cute, girl. It's not cute. In the back, as you see, my bra is showing, so I will wear more of a sexy bra with this. Because I can't let these girls go wild. You know, we ain't got no implants over here, so they ain't just perfect. Now we ain't hanging to the floor, but we ain't perfect, so we do wear bras around here. So I will get something nice and sexy so that the back looks like, ooh, you know, like I like her bra as well. So yes, I really like this one. Very cute. This is in a size 1X. 1X. I got a little proper on you. You heard that? 1X. This is in a size 1X as well. Okay. Check out this dress. This dress is so freaking cute to me. It is an asymmetrical, half solid, half plaid print dress. Really cute. With this cute tie. It's a plaid print tie to go around my waist. Now, SHEIN did me a little dirty, okay? I'm going to be honest with y'all because this is what we here for. They did me a little dirty. I ordered a 1X. This is a size 3X. This is way too big for me. But if it wasn't for the belt, I would definitely get my money back. So I cannot lose this belt or, you know, I have to replace it with another belt. But it's really cute. Okay, next is this cute tee. I love how wide the arms are. Love this top. I did think it was going to be a little oversized, but it's not. This is in a size 1X as well. Really simple and cute. So, okay, next, bringing out this cute yellow and black. It's like a beehive shirt if you ask me. I guess it can go for a beehive or a snakeskin look. Very comfortable with the open area in the back. I probably would wear a strapless bra with this top. Now I'm bringing y'all this cute, I guess I can say cow print skirt. It's really cute. This skirt actually can come up to my breast, so if I wanted to wear it as like a summer dress, I could do that as well. So it comes mid-calf length. It's a really cute skirt, and of course I paired it with this blazer and this yellow top. Really cute. Definitely have a lot of room. Very stretchy. It's always a plus for me. So if I had to give SHEIN a rating, I would give them a solid 7. Just because I'm so upset about my accessories. Like, they wrong for that. I'm not happy about my accessories at all. They're comfortable. I would definitely say that all the clothes are comfortable. They are true to size with the clothing, not the accessories. Yeah, so that's my rating. I give it a 7.